And Builderall answers. Okay, so I went through all the single answer that we had on the questionnaire. It was about 400 people answering, right? And I read all of those, and then I organize, and then I get this, so we have better idea of who is using Builderall. Okay, so guys, first place of the reason that people are using Builderall, and so far I just went through the first question. We have, I guess, 4 or 5. So I read 400 answers, and I organize those answers. So far, this is what we have. Why people buy Builderall? What is the reason that people bought Builderall? 169, it was because we have all the tools in one place. So this would be the main angle why the people go for Builderall, all right? All tools in in one place. Second reason was the pricing, all right? And third reason to build my business, and fourth reason it was for the business opportunity, right? So those are the 4 main reasons that people buy Builderall. First of all tools in one place. This is very, very important. This is a very good angle for us to promote Builderall, because we know most of the people who are using Builderall so far, they are buying Builderall, they bought Builderall because we have all tools in one dashboard. Second, the pricing. And a lot of answers was because you have all the tools with a very good pricing. So it was both reasons in one, right? Third, to bring my business online to a business which already exists. It's not to create a business. The third reason that people buy Builderall is because they have a business, they have something, they are doing something, and they need to put this business online. That's the third reason. And the fourth reason was to work with the Builderall business opportunity. And then we have sales funnel because of the site builder, to start a new business, for my agency, for my network marketing company, to capture leads, for personal branding, trustful referral, to learn digital marketing because of Eric. I guess it was 2 people, yeah. E-learning, our sales page design, after taking a marketing course, and app builder, right? So this is very, very small, but again, the 4 main reasons is all tools, pricing, because I have a business, and because of the business opportunity. That's one good thing, all right? Something else. Okay, this is our retention rate from 1 year. We are analyzing our retention rate, okay? So this was March of last year, okay? Now I'm showing you guys the 3-month retention rate. And why this is important, 3 months? Because this is how it works. We bring people to Builderall on the first month. They will actually, on the first week, they will find out, oh, this is for me, this is not for me, this is too difficult, this is going to happen, oh, this is not exactly what I was looking for. So a lot of people quit on the first month because they got confused, or because they don't know how to do it, or because they're not able to do anything. All right. And then some people quit on the second month because sometimes they give 1 month to create stuff. It's not enough. They're going to go to the second month. And then on the second month, they feel like, yeah, this is not for me. I'm just going to hire someone or whatever. And then on the third month is the last month where we lose a lot of people, right? And this has been like this for 3 years already. So if we hold people for 3 months, looks like we're going to hold these people for a lot of months later. So if they keep using it on the first, second, on the third month, from the third to the fourth month, we almost lose nothing. It's like 1%, 2% a month, right? After the third month, we are losing 1% or 2% clients a month. And that's not us, that's the clients. Because when we are saying that we are losing 1% of our clients, it's not because they are leaving the tool, it's because they are losing their business, it's because they are quitting, it's because they are changing, right? On our niche, the niche that we are working with entrepreneurs, we are working with business owners, right? It's not like all the business owners is going to keep on business after 1, 2, 3 years. As you guys know, a lot of business go wrong on the first and second year, right? So this losing of 1% to 2% a month, it's more because they are leaving their business, they are quitting their business, than us losing our clients. So the point of view here is, if we keep the clients for 3 months, looks like we're going to keep this client for years. Make sense? This makes sense? All right. So that's why it's so important to see the retention rate on the first 3 months. Okay, cool. So let me share this screen with you guys again. And this was March of last year. We were able to hold 41% of our clients on the first month. This is hold, okay? We were losing 6% of our clients on the first month. Why? I don't know, because it wasn't responsive, because the dashboard was a little bit confused, because we had less trainings. I don't know, but we were losing we were holding 41% on the first month. And then we were holding 26% on the second month. And then on the third month, 19%. So After 3 months, we were holding 20% of our clients, right? And then on the fourth, 19, 18, 17, and there it goes like this, okay? Cool. And this is like a this is the average of the multi-level marketing industry, right? This is the average of the retention rate on the multi-level marketing industry, but we are not a multi-level marketing. We actually have a product that works and we should be doing better. And then we start working in the new dashboard, the trainings and blah, 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 all those things that you guys already know. And the things start going better and better and better and better and better. And this is what is happening this year, right? So, okay. Wait, there is one data missing here. Let me see, because just a second, where is it? I'm losing my, all right, okay. Just one data. I don't want to show you guys something. And here we go. There you go. All right. So I guess we are going to go again and share the screen. Where is it? Okay, good. All right. I guess on the ambassador meeting, I showed this graphic with the numbers on the platform and everything, but here we go. This is what's happening this year, all right? So in January, we actually had 60% retention rate on the first month, way better, right? And then after 1 month, 51%, right? And then on the third month, 52%. That means that people actually came back to Builderall, people who bought it in December. They actually came back when we saw some things that we were doing, all right? Okay, because this is the selling from March. People who bought it in March, they kept the first month, the second month, and the third month. That's the data for March. So you bought it in January, you kept in January, you kept in, I'm sorry, you bought it in December, you kept in January, that's the first month recurring, you kept your account in February, and you kept your account in March. Make sense? So, and why is that? Why actually it's bigger? Because in March we launched the $1 plan, and a lot of people came back for this $1 plan. So we actually holding more and increasing the retention rate, right? But without the $1 plan, doesn't matter. Here we still have 41% on the third month. That means that we actually double our retention rate on the 3 months period. That was really, really good, right? But if you guys can see, there is a proportion here going on. So look at this. In March, our retention rate, it was actually 66%. So people who bought it in February, they renewed their account in March. So that means that we hold 66% in March. And if you see the numbers here, for example, 6%, 51 and 52, 65, 53, we can imagine that we're going to go for 55 and 45, maybe 50, because we have 50% here on the third month. All right. So what I'm saying is on this year, January, February, and March, we are doing very, very well on the retention rate. And we are being able to actually double the retention rate, or more than double the retention rate on the third month. This is really, really important for us, right? But with the things that's happening right now, with the Builderall Assistant, with the new funnels, with the new things that we are doing, I think we're going to bring this retention rate to 80%, right, on the first month. That's our goal, to bring our retention rate to 80% on the first month and something like 70% on the second and third month. There is no reason for us to lose people on the second and third month. So we are working a lot with trainings, and this knowledge base, we're gonna focus all the trainings, all the tutorials, all the videos, everything on the knowledge base. So that means it's going to be really easy for people to find information and training on Builderall. So with the Builderall Assistant, with the Builderall knowledge base, and with the new tools and updates that we are doing on the platform, I believe we're going to bring this thing to 80% on the first month and about 70% on the second and third month, right? And why this is so important? Because it's money on your pocket, guys, right? You don't sell Builderall to make $69 on the first month and that's it. You sell Builderall to make $69 on the first month and keep making money for years and years and years. And having this guy become an affiliate and making money for you for years and years and years, that's the reason we are building a business. It's not an affiliate business where you sell, make money, and that's it. This is something that you build. Retention rate is one of the most important thing on Builderall so far. When we are talking about numbers, company, money, and everything, and you as an affiliate, you are here working with us because of the money. So when we are talking about money, retention rate is the most important thing, and we are already doing a very good job on the retention rate, and we're going to make it better and better and better, and that's very, very important. All right? Okay.
Look, hey, they designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need's Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Look, if you're trying to build the name of your brand that came with a plan, get your name in demand. With Builderall, you can save your day in advance. Keep the apps automated so you barely need to glance. Listen, think of all the power that you hold. It's a new globe, everyone is grabbing for their phones. Imagine the control, build your passion on your own. And the more that you connect, the more attraction they will show. Not only a sales funnel, look, this is more advanced. This will help you compete, but have the upper hand. Keep your products in demand. It's all in one spot. You don't have to calculate and feel afraid with your thoughts. Automate your response. Drag and drop your site or click map your fans. See the pages they like or use the video rap or capture their sites. Design your own app from scratch, just how you like. Yeah, they designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need's Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Design with y'all in mind, let entrepreneurs shine. Tired of the 9 to 5, you starting your own grind and it's alright. They got the tools you need. The connection they designed is truly unique. Never been able to express my views with ease. I move, release, double click and knew I'm pleased. My clients as well, tired of the hoops and leaps. Too many things in the way of my truth and dreams. A Builderall rock star is what you really are. Tune in on the internet will make you a star. You don't need to study hard, all it takes is a start. Work every day and move higher till you way off chart. Stay on, never sleep on none of the apps. It's a free sign up just so you know in advance. Builderall's for the legends, nothing's holding you back. You got the tools and the plan, you can stay on track. Believe that. They designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need's Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall.